welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And well, we are today at a anniversary of something very unique that we pretty much take for granted today. But on April 3rd of 1973, there was a new thing that was tested, and the first mobile phone call actually occurred. So 50 years ago. Pretty incredible to think about that. 50 years for the mobile phone now. So April 3rd of 1973, this guy that you see in the picture, Martin Cooper, made the world's first cell phone call. The phone that he used was a Motorola Dynatac prototype. It weighed 4 pounds. Yep, 4 pounds. That was something. And so that, of course, started an era of pretty interesting communications. And, of course, these bricks were sold in the 80s. I remember Radio Shack catalogs full of these pictures of phones that really were expensive and huge. And of course, today we have our little smartphones that are just computers in our pocket that can make phone calls. But I can tell you that a lot of people are not making phone calls anymore with voice and texting and going through social media instead on that device. But it's it's a game changer. There's a lot of technologies that change the world. I think the mobile phone is one of them. And it's pretty impressive that we've reached 50 years from the first call today. And you know what? I want to take this opportunity. I know not all of you have a smartphone or a cell phone, but if you do, what's the first one you had? Is the one you have now maybe the first one you've had? Or what's your first model? And my first smartphone was a popular one, the Nokia 3310. This thing, indestructible. I've probably dropped it dozens of times with all parts flying through the room everywhere, and you just put it back together. This was impossible to kill. So the Nokia 3310, this was my first one. And I still remember activating my first cell contract and my first cell phone and thinking, this is cool. I've got, I'm got a cell phone. Pretty much one of the first ones around me also. I'm thinking of family and friends. I was one of the first ones to actually have one. And, of course, things have evolved tremendously. Today I'm carrying a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Which is, light years from this little Nokia phone. So what was your first smartphone or cell phone? Because they weren't smart back then. They were just phones, most of them. And I still remember playing that little snake game on this Nokia also. So what was your first smartphone? And are you one of those that maybe actually had one of those cell phones from the 80s? What's the first one you had? What year was it? And did it change your life? So answer below. It'd be fun to see the answers of all of you guys. If you don't have one, indicate that you don't have one. Kind of an interesting statistic to see. I know not everybody does, and not everybody wants one too. So, and some want to have some very simple ones. Flip phones are still a thing because there's a category of people that you just want a phone. You don't want to have that thing that does a million things. So, in the description below, let me know. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.